Okay, in kinematics, we have already done speed, average speed, velocity, average velocity as well as instantaneous speed. Now, we have to do the next topic in the under the kinematics, that is here acceleration. See, what do you mean by acceleration? We have done constant velocity, but here when the velocity is changing with the time. So, actually acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time interval. So, whenever velocity changes with the time, so this rate of change of velocity is known as actually acceleration. See here, this is represented by A. If you are taking final velocity is V, initial velocity is U, then you will be getting time interval t2 minus t1. This acceleration here V minus U upon t2 minus t1. If this A is positive, suppose you are taking A is positive, it means velocity is increasing with the time, that is called positive acceleration. If A is, here you can write here, that is velocity is increasing. Now, if you are getting A is equal to negative, that means velocity is decreasing with the time, and this acceleration is known as retardation, or we call it deacceleration. So, retardation or deacceleration. So, here we have seen what is the change in velocity with the time, what quantity is called, and when it is positive and when it is negative.